Simple, but not easy. The answer to the problem is simple, but not easy. As a water damage restoration service owner, you're wearing too many hats: hiring, outsourcing, planning, marketing, learning to grow your business, and somewhere in there, finding time for family, friends, and fun. You answer calls, but let's face it, you miss some when you're busy. That's a huge amount of lost revenue. Just 2 missed calls a day? That's 40 missed opportunities every month. Even if your conversion rate into sales is poor, at just 50%, you've lost 20 customers. Over a year? That's 240 customers. How much is that in lost revenue for you? You might have a receptionist. They miss calls too. They too have only 2 ears and 2 hands, just like you, plus go on lunch breaks, call in sick, or, let's be honest, they might be scrolling through their social media during working hours. And you are relying on your voicemail? Most people don't leave a voicemail. They simply hang up if you don't answer right away. In fact, 85% of them won't call back. Never, ever. That's a lot of revenue lost forever. Permanent loss, going to the competition. There's a way to solve this problem. The new way to recover these missed opportunities and convert them into paying customers. In our next video, we'll share with you how we did it. On behalf of Dr. Raj, this is Oscar, signing off at callstobook.com. Connect with us on LinkedIn to learn more about recovering lost revenue and transforming your business. Reply calculator for your free calculator to see how much you are currently losing and how much more revenue you can capture back.